It's not always easy to keep track of what's going on in all your beehives. And this especially is so as you grow your hive numbers to have more and more. And I found out I had to come up with a system. So now I bring a digital recorder with me to the bee yard. And after I finish inspecting a hive, before going on to the other one, I make a note. Now, you can certainly do that using your phone, but I don't really like getting honey, beeswax, and propolis all over my iPhone. So I use my little digital recorder for that. Once I get back inside, take a shower, and get feeling human again, then I will listen to these directions that I had left on my recorder, and I will write them into my beekeeping journal. And I have, some of you have purchased my beekeeping journal with the sheets that gives you an idea of what I track in my beehives. So for today, for this hive, I will say number 3 looks okay. I have bees in the deep with a little bit of capped brood. Population is small but viable. In my food super, I have some honey and I have bees working it. Because this colony was subject to some robbing in the late fall and I didn't see a queen, I'm not 100% sure that this is a viable colony and not just robbers that are coming in. I have the front entrance tight and I see no fighting and what may be a little defensive behavior. I saw no pollen in the colony. They have food for now. I gave them a pollen taco. Recheck. Now the next time I get ready to schedule a visit to the bee yard on a warm day, I will go to my journal and I will read these notes. And then that will let me know if let's say if I have 12 hives and I really don't have time to look at but 4, I can look at the ones that have the recheck notation. And that lets me know that they may need me to look more than some of the others. Now when I come and do the recheck, the next time around, if this is a viable colony, I may find my queen. But even if I don't, if I go back in there and I find fresh larvae, I will know that the queen is still reigning, that she's still in there, and that this colony is hanging on for spring. This is Beekeeper Charlotte from CarolinaHoneybees.com.